All right, so we just got the F3 electric air duster. All right, it's by this company right here. I think it's Gooloo, something like that. I'm not quite sure then how to pronounce it, but let's go ahead and see what we got. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Wow, looks cool. All right, so anyway, here's your unboxing. It does seem to come with a charger, not a charger, but I mean a USB A to, I do believe it's a C. So we got USB-C, USB-A, set that down. And then we've got the unit itself, which comes with a head on it, but it also gives you these, I think you get 3 other heads. Let me see what they are. Oh, shoot. Look, this is like a crevice tool, right? Let's set that there. Then you get 2 more in here. This is just like a straight up blower. And this is a smaller blower, like head. All right, that's everything there. All right, so check it out. Here it is. Here's your USB-C where you would plug it in right above this little red button. You know what I mean, jelly beans? And I think this is the, the modes, so you can do different modes. And to turn it on, you got to press this button right here. I think it's a press and hold. And you notice it looks like it's fully charged, ready to go. So now we're, all we got to do is press this trigger in the front and it should start blowing. Wow. Wow, that's strong. You press and hold it. Man, that's pretty windy, I've got to say. It does come with this booklet, and there is a QR code that you guys can scan. This is the information about the company, its website, and how to contact them. There's a phone number and email. And that's the company itself, and that's the name of the product. It's an electric air duster. So this thing will dust. Let's check it out and see how windy it is. This is my test that I usually do to see how windy it is. I'm going to press it. I'm going to point it at myself, which is probably not a good idea. But let's see what it does to my hair. That's pretty windy. So I would say that, yes, this thing blows hard, man. So yeah, I would totally recommend it. Holy cow, look at my hair, it's crazy. So these front things, I think they twist on and off. I would think somehow you can get them on and off. Oh, there we go. It took a little bit of a twist to the, lefty-loosey to get it off. So you can change these, right? Put different ones on. Oh, that went right in my ear. That hurt. Oops. I must have turned it off by accident. Okay, we're on. That tells you it's on right there. All right, so make sure you don't, like when you do it this way, like I pushed my finger against the off button, so I've got to... So this one pushes and compresses the air more. So, you get a harder stream. And this is kind of like a little bit tighter, like this. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, that's working good. Oh my God, look at my hair. I look like a crazy guy. All right, yeah, so I would highly recommend getting one of these things. Look how big this is. This is how big it is. It's small, but it's powerful. She may be small, but she's strong. All right, if you like this video, again, subscribe to my channel. Check out this product. Get it on Amazon. I think you're going to be very satisfied with it. Peace out.